what you do, I love to be able to do what you do, like this, and I can't, but that, but family, but this. I get it. And then I get to see them again. There's nobody in the world like doing that, as far as helping other people and like facilitating other makers into finding kind of their spot in the maker world.
Even the drawer boxes are walled up.